Now let me just take a moment to explain the pricing and the business model. If you're already a high-level user, it's going to sound very familiar, but if you're just starting out, it's going to be super helpful either way. The business model with this white label platform is that you're going to be locking into a fixed price, and the platform will give you a reselling license with a certain number of a sub account. A sub account is basically a fully functional software account with all of the automations, AI functionality, and pretty much everything inside the account. So think of it like the hotel. The hotel itself is the business, and inside the hotel there are rooms. Each room represents a sub account, and just like the hotel, you can rent out or sell each room, in this case a sub account, for profit. The best part about it is that you can charge as much as or as little as you want for each room or each sub account. Now let's just take HighLevel for an example. It's a platform that our AI software fully integrate with. HighLevel charge a fixed cost of $497 per month for you to have an unlimited sub account to resell to businesses. So what that means is that if you sell one sub account for $100, selling 10 of that would make you $1,000 per month, but your fixed cost is $497. Now if we were to scale that to 100 clients, which make us $10,000 per month at $100 per sub account, your fixed cost still remain at $497. So hopefully you guys can see the point by now. This business model have a fixed operational cost and it have unlimited upside. You can in theory make as much money as you want with $497 as a fixed cost. Look, I strongly believe this is the best business model that you can start today because it requires very little to no capital upfront compared to dropshipping, Amazon FBA, day trading, or crypto, where you're going to need a lump sum of money to actually make anything in return. And it's also better than side hustles such as OnlyFans, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok influencer, where you have to consistently be on camera, do stupid dance, and really sell your body out to whoever gonna pay for it. And the worst part is that you're gonna be relying solely on an unpredictable algorithm. With this business model, there's a clear step-by-step blueprint, and there's a direct correlation between the work that you put in and the money that you make. And the people that you see on the screen right now, I know that every single one of them have put sweat and tear into starting and building their online businesses, and the reward at the end was absolutely worth it. So join the family and click the button below or somewhere around this video to get access to everything and start your own no-code AI agency today. Now if you're still watching this, congratulations, you're part of the top 10% of people who actually follow through and watch this video until the end. So here's my gift to you. When I first started my online business journey, I didn't have any guidance. Everyone would just try sell me course, and I was skeptical, and honestly it was scary. But I learned a lesson from this quote from President Theodore Roosevelt. He said, quote, "In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The next best thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing." This is the cost of inaction, guy. AI is here to stay. The question is not if, but when. This is why I put all this program together, so that you can skip all of the guessing and you don't have to go through it alone, and you don't have to waste years of trial and error the way I did. And with that, the choice is yours. I'll leave you to it, and hopefully I can see you on the other side. This is Vico Kang. Ciao.